Now, here's a bizarre thing. I saw blood in my garden, and I'm thinking, where did this come from? It was really bizarre, and I thought, yeah, that's got to be blood, and if it's there, it must have come from out of this tree. So I decided to look up, and what did I see? Up in the tree, but I think it's a bowerbird. It was a bit hard to tell. And I'm thinking, what's wrong with it? It was as still as a statue. And then I saw this, awful, bizarre injury. Come on, focus, focus, focus. Yeah, and I'm thinking, God, what happened to that? I don't know what the white gunk is. And I'm looking at this injury and I'm thinking, how bizarre. How could that have happened? It looks like it's, I don't know, it looks like an alien's burst out of it. Or is it bizarre, or is it something has attacked it? But what a very odd angle, and what a very odd position. What is happening to it? Is it a parasite from within, or did someone shoot it with a BB gun or something? But the poor bird was just sitting there very still. I mean, absolutely still like a statue. Obviously in shock. But what caused it? What really strange thing caused this? I would go back outside and check on it occasionally, and then when I went out the final time, it was gone. I don't know where it went. I couldn't find it in the garden. I couldn't find it anywhere. But there it is. One of nature's very bizarre injuries to its wildlife.